We'll guide you through how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 on a phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android. So you're trying to go and make a video and you're needing some music for it or a song. We're going to guide you through how you can go and download it onto your phone and go and start using it. Make sure this full guide step by step, and let's go and get right into this. You can't actually do this in the YouTube app, so come out of it. Go and head to a web browser, whether that's Safari on an iPhone or Chrome on an Android, it doesn't matter. Go and tap on the address bar, it may be at the bottom or the top, and you need to go and type in studio.youtube.com. It'll look like this. You can then press continue to studio. It will ask you to go and use the app. You want to go and pinch in like this. And if you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to sign in. Press the music icon at the bottom of the list and you're going to see some different music here. So we can pinch back out. Press the play pause button to the left and you can go and hear how it sounds. And you can go through different categories and use different filters to go and look at different genres as well. And then if you want to go and download it, you come over to the right and you can go and press download. Press download like so, we can go and view it and we can then go and use it